two. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2.
Hi, and welcome to Synthesis 101. In this video, we're going to take a look at filters. A filter removes certain frequencies from a sound and is one of the main tools we use to shape the timbre or color of a sound. The two most used filter types are low pass. This will filter out all the frequencies above a certain frequency, which we call the cutoff frequency. And high pass. This will filter out all the frequencies below the cutoff frequency. With this knob, we can adjust the cutoff frequency. Let's hear how that sounds. With this knob, you can add resonance to the filter. Adding resonance will create a narrow peak around the cutoff frequency. If we turn up the resonance, you can clearly hear that a certain frequency is boosted, adding character to the filtering effect. Now you have learned the basics of filters. Thanks for watching this introduction to synthesis. Consider subscribing for more content about music production.
Oh, 1 2. Oh, 1 2.